Welcome to Haiku 101, Creating a Resource Bank for TK through 2nd grade Foundational Skills. Our objectives for this session are to learn the basics of creating a haiku class and create a personalized resource site as a place to store foundational skill resources. The first thing we're going to do is log into our RUSD Learns Haiku account. As soon as you're logged in, you will come to your welcome page. At this point, you're going to click on My Classes. Now you're ready to add your new class. Click on Add a New Class. This is the page you will see next. You can make up a name for your class. We titled our class IV Resources. The class URL will appear. You can make up a class code if you would like, or you can bypass this option. You can provide a short summary. You can decide on which settings you would like for your class. Now you're ready to add pages to your class. Click on Add Page. You will see this screen. Title your page and decide where you would like your page to be located. You can unclick this option at the bottom if you do not want your students to comment on your page. If this is a teacher-only page, then it will not be necessary to unclick this. Now you're ready to add a content block. Click on Add Content Block. This is the page that you will see next. It has information regarding what content you will be adding: files, text, videos, web links, audio. Create a file block. We're going to give our block a title. Click Next. This is step 2. Do you want to attach files to this block? Upload from my computer, choose from my Google Drive. You can upload to files directly from your computer. Click on Choose Files, then find a file you want to add to your page. We decided to add blending puzzles. Once you have chosen your file, click Upload. If you have no other files to add, click Finish. Now you can see that Blending Puzzles is uploaded onto our Haiku page. Your file will appear in the content block you created. Now you are ready to add more resources to your page. Where can you get your resources? You can find your resources on files that you have on your own computer, files from your Google Drive, other Haiku pages. You can find resources on the Haiku page that we created, which is titled IV Resources. You can find that in the Haiku account for this session. You can also find resources on these Haiku pages: Foundational Reading Skills, K2 Institute, Treasures K2, and also K6 English Language Arts. These are the pages that will be specific for transitional kindergarten through 2nd grade. There are also various online resources. Would you like to add something to your page from another Haiku page? You can download an item from Haiku directly onto your desktop and then upload it to your page. You're going to click on Choose Files and then find a file you would like to add to your page. Once you have found your files, you are going to click Upload. If you would like to add something to your page from another online resource, you can add a content block for web links. Find the web page that you would like to save. Type in or paste the web address. Type in the name of the resource and click Save. There are other things you can do to your Haiku page as well. Once you've created various content blocks, you can change the layout if you would like. To make life simpler, the creators of Haiku have provided only a few layout ideas instead of too many choices. You can click on Manage Page, click on Page Layout. Play around with different layouts and choose the one you would like. You can drag the content blocks wherever you would want them at a later time. You can also share your class with colleagues if this is a resource that you would like to share with your team. Click on Manage Class. Click on Share Class. Click Continue. And this is going to create an invitation to share your class. You can send your invitation via email, and you will need to use your RUSD Learns email account. Click Send. You can also change the way that your class looks by changing the theme. Click on Edit Theme. This will bring up various themes that you can choose from in various color schemes. Click on the theme options and choose the one that you would like best. Once you have found a theme that you would like, click on Apply. If you decide that you do not like it, you can go back and edit your theme and choose a new one at any time. Once you are finished and your Haiku page is ready to publish, click on Publish. It will show you that your class is currently inactive. When do you want it to be published? You can choose from Publish Now, Publish on a certain date, or Publish from a specific date until a specific date. Click on Save. There are many other things that you can use Haiku for. You can create a Haiku class for your parents, where parents can access content that you place for their students. You can also create a Haiku site for your own class, where your students can access content that you place specifically for them. You can create paperless homework, which is another professional development option that was offered today. You can create a grade book on Haiku. Also, additional resources from today's professional development sessions are offered on Haiku. If you have any questions, please email Jennifer Ivy, Staff Development Specialist, or Lisa Marie Malaga, Elementary Teacher. Don't forget to leave feedback. Thank you.